Howdy, Possum Patty here, and I'm just harvesting sunflower seeds and journaling. Come on along. This year, I got a few sunflower plants. Let's see, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 or 10 sunflower plants, which was a lot because I had to keep the deer and the rabbits and all the critters from eating them. So I was really ecstatic with my 10 sunflower plants, and I harvested a few of the sunflower heads. When they start to droop over and get kind of heavy, they bend down like that. And the birds actually hang on them upside down and peck the seeds out. It's a lot of fun to watch. But I harvest them, and I decided that I would keep a few seeds. So I took them over to the porch steps, and I sat down, and I poked out some of the seeds, and I put them in a little basket. I'm going to try and dry them and keep them over the winter and see if they'll grow next year. We'll see. And then I decided to put the rest of the sunflower heads out on the picnic table for the birds. And what I did was, I saw a couple of birds interested in the seeds that were left in the sunflower heads. So I put a brown sheet over my head, and I went out and I sat right on the bench at the picnic table. I mean, I was only like this far away from the sunflower seeds with the sheet over my head, and I had the lens of the camera sticking out through the sheet. And I got a couple of videos of the first two birds that came, and the first one I saw was the tufted titmouse. He's always around in the wintertime. There's a whole bunch of them that come in the wintertime. And the other one, which I had a paper here a minute ago, is the white-breasted nuthatch. Where is the oh, there he is. Sorry, he's way across the table. I'm back. And he's such a clown. He's always on the tree upside down. I love this bird. And he makes a funny squawking sound too. So the tufted titmouse and the nuthatch were both sort of taking turns flying in and out, chasing each other around. I think there were two tufted titmice and one, yeah, he goes like that, and one white-breasted nuthatch. So I'm trying to figure out what kind of page to make. I might put these pictures down. I printed out pictures of the sunflower heads and me taking out the seeds and the two birds. And I don't have any like sunflower paper. So let's go over to the table and let me show you what I'm doing. Well, you all seen my Hello Autumn journal that I made. And I got a lot of the first signature done. There are a few pages. I have some things I know I want to put there. So I kind of flip through more towards the back because I have some earlier September things that I want to put in there. And if you remember in my fall journal idea video, I was really liking the staggered sizes of the pages. So I actually went ahead and trimmed these pages down so they're not all the same size. So you got 3 different sizes there. I thought that was funny. And I couldn't do that in this part because each page that's not journaled on has something on the other side. So that's okay. At least I have one set of uneven pages to make me happy, right? Oh, so I have this sunflower fabric. And I don't have any paper, and I'm like, well, I can use this fabric on the page. But just because you're journaling about sunflowers doesn't necessarily mean you need sunflower paper or fabric on the background, right? So I'm looking through my new paper pad that I got on sale at Michael's Midnight Garden. I'm like, it says garden. It says garden on it. And I did like this brown. That kind of goes with sunflowers. And I love this gold with the stripes in the background. And there's a nice green and a purple. And, ooh, crows and flowers. I'm going to do birds and flowers, right? And that's purple. It has nothing to do with sunflowers, but there's a page to go with it. And this one has flowers and moths on it. So I'm like, all right. I ripped out a couple of pages. I know. I'm cray-cray. So this lovely black crow and, I don't know, what color would you call that? Mauve, rose. They're birds and flowers. I know crows are kind of like the October bird though. And these two birds are my winter birds. So maybe, you know, but then I wanted to put the information in there too. So I'm like, maybe I can put a flap here. I could put a flap here and put some of this bird information on here. All right, I'm going to go and cut some, although I really like this one too. And they don't go together at all, so that's awesome. And then I've got this gray one. That one kind of goes with this one. Because you can't, it's hard to see, but in the background there's sort of like a brownish gray stripe. Although I did have that brown one. I thought I took out a brown one. Oh, I took out a mauve. Oops, something fell on the floor. Oh, hang on. Bend down and pick that up. Now that kind of goes with this one. It does not have to match. Alright, so like I said, I am going to go cut some paper for these 2 pages and keep you in suspense for all of 1 second till I'm back again. Okay, I think I can get them on here without making a flap. So I'm going to go ahead and glue down the crows on this page. I cut it a little short because I was going to make a flap, but that's okay. No problem, no problem. We'll just leave it like that. And the purple on this page, so I'm going to put the birds and the bird pictures over here, and me and the sunflowers over here. I might use some of this other purple paper. Yeah, see these mushrooms? While I was out collecting the sunflower heads, the pot they were growing in is on a stump, and on the stump are these gorgeous mushrooms. So I do want to make a journal page about them too. But I do have another sheet of this, so that's okay. I can use a little bit over here. I just love the way all these purples go together. And I did pull out another page, but I don't think I'm going to use this one yet. So I'll put that one down there. I gotta make a little room to glue here. I still haven't put everything away, and I have more things for Thrifty Thursday to show everybody. Well, I could just, do I want to glue that? Or do I want to glue this? I think I'll glue this. Just get something down on the page, because once I get started, you know, then I get all my ideas. So even though it's a cold weekend, it's been a really nice weekend. The possums and Flat Stanley went on another adventure today, and I've oh my gosh, I have so many Stanley adventures to journal about already. And yeah, I'll put a little hint at the end of the video about where Stanley was today. My gosh, he is quite the traveler, quite the traveler. Okay, I'm going to line this up with the outside edge. And not care too much about it being short on the inside. Like that. Is that crooked? I guess I could bring it down. I could bring it down a little bit. It was on there kind of nice too. Okay, either this page is crooked or the one underneath it is crooked, and I shouldn't say crooked, should I? Is possum straight. It's possum straight. Everything I do is possum straight. That's how you get rid of the perfection in your life. Just make up a new definition for straight. It's not crooked, it's possum straight. And I'm going to trim this off. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. Okay, that is on there. Should we just go ahead and glue this one down here? Gotta turn the page in my glue book. Yes, we were out all day in the sunshine. Oh, my glue stick is empty. Didn't I just open this one up? Mamma mia. I got too much stuff here. Those birds to get all glued down. I think I just opened this one. Maybe this is a case of shrinkage, right? Where they charge you more money for something and they put less in it. Uh-oh. Here comes Titi. She's been sleeping this whole time. You haven't seen her. And now she's in my lap. Now she's going to spin around and get her tail in this glue. I know she is. No, don't spin around. You know, it's okay if she just sat in my lap, but she spins and spins and spins until she gets her tail into everything. I gotta open up another glue stick. I'm trying to hold her and glue with one hand. And Mamma mia, let's see if that works. No, where are you going? No, don't spin around. No! Ah! Did you see that? Get down. Did you just see that? Her tail went right in the glue. I knew it. I was holding her. I was trying to keep her from doing that. I need an instant replay on that. I put her down on the floor. And, oh, look what I did. Now, how did I do that? Oh, Mamma mia. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I put her down on the floor and she tried to get the glue off her tail, and now, turn around here. Yeah, she's on the other side of the room pouting. Pouting. Pouting, pouting, pouting. The birds are both on the same side. I think I'll put that one up there. Okay, this just fits. The tufted titmouse is a common bird you see in the wintertime at your bird feeder. And you see the crest may not always be raised. They have these big dark eyes. They're really cute. They're really, really cute. And the one that I have a picture of here, you can see the crest is there, but it is flat down on top of his head. And this one's very colorful. He's got that peachy patch on the side of him over there. Look at those big eyes. They're very cute, very lively, very cute, a lot of fun to watch. And the nuthatch, when they're not upside down, that's what they look like. They're very colorful too. White and black and gray. And he was picking seeds out of that one right there. So let's see if I can get these glued down without the catastrophe. We're going to start with the tufted titmouse. I did open up a new glue. I got these pictures out of a bird book. I like to pick up the bird books at the book sales if they're like 50 cents or something like that, because then I cut them up and use them. Oops. It helps to take the top off of the glue when you want the glue to come out of the bottle. Yes, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. So we're going to put him right at the tippity top, and he's going to take up the whole width of the page. Got those beautiful crows and roses. Crows and roses. Crows and roses behind him. It says they gather in small flocks during the winter. Let's see how I'm doing for space here. Whoop. I think I can probably do something. You can even see the crows. I kind of covered all the crows up. Oh no. Oh well. No problem. Still a pretty background. All right. We can do this. We can do this. I'm just going to line these two birds up. So they're not too close to the edge there. Glue on my fingers. Don't want to get it on the pictures. I should probably keep some wipes in here to clean my fingers. I wonder, I might do that, like right next to each other, and then put a little journaling card there or here. Although I could put these at an angle, like that, since I put the bird straight. Alright, I'm going for it. I printed these pictures out with my Canon Ivy Mini printer. Somebody was asking about that the other day. And they print these little stickers that, you know, no ink in this. It's just the paper has the ink in it, you know, think Polaroid. Well, this is more interesting than straight up and down. Yeah, so you buy a pack of these stickers and you put them in, and it prints them out. And it's perfect for journaling because it's portable. And just the right size for a journal page. If I want bigger, I print it out with my, you know, my regular printer. That is fun. Wow. Okay, I like that. I like that. Now, I have a picture of me, you know, cleaning out some of the seeds. And I have a picture of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's right. The 8th one, the deer ate. It was in a pot above the ground, but it kind of bent over when it got heavy. And the deer grabbed it. And they ate the whole thing. And the leaves off the stalk and everything. And then they got a hold of this one and started munching on this one. So I thought I better grab them while I could. Oh, where's my printer's right here. I'm sorry. I was talking about my printer. It fits in the palm of your hand. You get the paper, 10 sheets at a pack. It opens right up. You put the paper in. You turn it on. Use your phone to control it. So take the pictures with your phone and you can print them right out. Super fun for journaling. Thinking about adding a little bit of this paper. Does it go one way? Yes, it does. To here. Or at least around the pictures. What should I do? I should move the glue because you know I'm going to get it on something. I'm so glad I pulled out this purple paper and didn't worry about, I have to have a paper with sunflowers on it because I'm journaling about sunflowers. Yeah, no. I think what I'm going to do here is slice this here. And then where'd I put my mark? Okay. Where's my mark? My mark is there. Sometimes this pencil in this light does not show up because it's night and it's dark and winter is coming. I feel like I'm out of frame all day today. Okay. Do that. Throw that on the floor. Get rid of this. Okay, I'm just going to plop this down on here. So we're going to peel it open like that. And I'm going to put that there. Then do my rippy thing. Wow. That's a lot of white there. I want a little bit of white. Maybe not that much. I gotta watch my camera because it shuts off. I use my fingernail usually to do this. I want it a little bit uneven, not too much. I like that. I like that. Move some stuff out of the way. Let's see, but it doesn't leave a lot of room for the bottom picture. So I'm going to do my journaling there. So I don't need any journaling on this one. So I will just put this down and crop it close. Doesn't have to be straight. If you rip toward yourself, you get the white edge. The core of the paper will show. Like that. I might go in. Sometimes I go around a couple times till I get it where I want it. Okay, what I'm going to do is just glue these down. Well, I'm going to do my journaling. I'll glue these down. And I will come back with the finished page of the sunflower seed harvest that went to the birds. Okay, I've got everything safely glued on. The cat is still on the couch. I put sunflower seed harvest. I want to put the date, but I want to put it up here. And I can't write there right now because I have to wait for that to dry, because I use my Sakura glaze pen because it comes out nice and shiny and dark. Excellent for writing on papers. And I was sitting here and you know what popped into my mind? I have it sitting right here. Black sparkly ribbon. I got a little bit left here, and nothing says sunflower seed harvest like black sparkly ribbon. I think it's these bats and things here that are making me a little batty today, or maybe too much sunshine, I don't know. But I want to put a sparkly ribbon on this page. Oh, Possum Patty. Possum Patty. I'm gonna do it. Yes, I am. Black sparkly ribbon. I got one little piece left. And I am going to glue it right on there. Doesn't it look awesome on the purple? Because we got black in the back there. And lavender and purple. And this page is really busy. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I think it's coming together quite nicely. Let's see. Somewhere there is beacon glue. Somewhere. I really need to clean up a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this. Sorry, got to get some stuff out of the way here. Make some room. I think I'm going to put it on the ribbon. Oh, you know what? Hang on. I'm moving you. Whoop. Everything is moving. Okay, I'm going to put a strip of glue on here. Whoops. As best I can. And then call this done. That was a little too much glue. All right. Stand by. That is a lot too much glue, Possum Patty. Don't lie to these people. Don't lie to these people. All right, put the cap back on the glue. Make a mess, spreading the glue a little bit because there's way too much glue on there. All right, let's see how that's gonna work. It's working good except for where I put my finger. Oh, I got a lot of threads. Okay, that is it. That worked pretty good. Like I said, except for where I put the glue on my fingers right there. But we're not going to worry about that. These other things will come off, I think. Wow, they really want to stick on there. Well, thanks for coming along today while I journaled about my sunflower seed harvest. I used to be the sunflower lady. I used to grow 1,000 sunflowers, 1,500 sunflowers, and now I'm very happy with 12 in the yard. 12 in the yard makes me happy. That's okay. Okay, so there it is. My tufted titmouse. Isn't it cute? Oops, a lot of reflecting today. My white-breasted nuthatch. My harvest of sunflower seeds. And Possum Patty hard at work. Oh, I gotta write the date. Write the date. Write the date. Okay, this was October 7th. I'm worried about touching that over there. Let's see, can I do it this way? October 7th. Good enough. Good enough, good enough, good enough. I love it. I love it. I love it. So happy I went with purple Halloween on my, and black sparkly. All right, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Bye-bye now. You thought I was gone? I'm just looking at this paper. And you see these 3 little dots in the background? I was wondering, what if I did that? What do you think? I won't put too many. Are you still here? Don't forget, you have to wait till the end to see a preview of another Stanley adventure. Are you liking these or not? Not too much, just a little bit there. Perfect. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. And now I'd like to say thanks for coming along. Bye-bye. Oh, I forgot to say happy junk journaling. Happy junk journaling. Thanks for coming along today. Bye-bye.